You excited?
Yes. When does it start?
It's already started. Hey Cheap Bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today I'm joined by my mother. She's back by popular demand. We are in my parents' kitchen, and it's very newly renovated, so give her compliments down in the comment section below, and she will love you for life. Today we are going to do a Suck It Up Sunday, where we suck it up and make some food. And since I'm not a really great cook, I have my mom along with me to cook the food for us, so we don't die. So most of you guys know that recently I went vegetarian, and that has inspired my parents to eat less meat in their diet. What made you want to do that?
Well, I'm eating a little bit of meat. I'm cutting back on meat because of all the research on meats, antibiotics in the cattle and this, and
yeah.
you know, to
it's bad.
Yeah.
So today we're going to make meatless tacos. We have 2 recipes for you guys, and it's gonna taste pretty good, hopefully. I don't know, I've never had these before.
Yeah.
My mom will be very honest.
That's for sure.
So,
let's get started.
yeah! So the first thing we're going to do is start with fresh cauliflower, and I already pre-cut it up already and rinsed it off. And then we're going to make a sauce that we're going to coat the cauliflower with. And all you're going to need is 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup milk, and you can use a milk substitute like we're going to do. We're going to use almond milk instead. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you go on to mix it up. So you want to mix it all up for me, Mom?
Sure.
How's that smell?
Oh, it smells great.
What does it smell like?
Peppers and
Garlic.
garlic.
So the next thing we're going to do is take our cauliflower and we're going to throw it into the sauce and coat it. So you want to do that, Mom? I'm going to just let her do all the work. Oops. Last one.
Catch it.
One abandoned ship. So you got to mix it really well. By the way, this is buffalo cauliflower tacos. I didn't say that in the beginning. I'm a bad host. I'm not a cooking TV show. I don't know what to do here.
It smells good.
It smells really good. It's like a coating. It's almost like a breading of sort. So the next thing you're going to do is get a baking pan. The directions were to put parchment paper on the bottom so it doesn't stick, but we are using the Copper Chef pan, not sponsor. They can sponsor us if they'd like, because I could use the money. So then we're just gonna dump this in. While you're doing this, you want to preheat your oven at 450 degrees. And then all you need to do is place this in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's your fault.
It's hot.
And then we just wait. What do we do while we wait? Should we have a dance party? Can you twerk?
Oh, it's twerking.
Twerking is when you move your booty.
I don't know about.
Our cauliflower looks like it's ready. Lastly, all you're going to do is drip on your favorite buffalo or hot sauce. Can I try like a little piece?
Yeah.
That's really good. After you're done putting on your buffalo sauce, you're gonna put it back into the oven for about 5 minutes. The cauliflower is just about ready. All right, let's plate this bitch. And all we're going to do is place our buffalo cauliflower onto a white corn tortilla. Then all we did was affix some romaine lettuce and some cheese and tomatoes and of course avocado. All right, and now we are ready to taste. Oh, that's really good. It's good.
It's good. If you like hot stuff.
It's not that hot.
A little hot. Yeah, it's burning, but it's burning.
You need water?
Yes.
What? There you go. Is it a little too hot? Is it getting
A little too hot for me.
The next thing we're going to make is chickpea tacos. And this is actually really, really simple. All you need is your basic chickpeas, and we just rinse them off and took them from a can. I guess you could use fresh ones, right? But they would be really hard.
Cook them.
We did the easy thing. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and coat your pan. Then you're just gonna add in the chickpeas. And all you're going to do is just grill these up until they're nice, like golden brown. While that's cooking up, you're going to just combine a very quick sauce. And all you need is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Once your chickpeas are all nice and brown, you're going to add this in and then simmer it for a few more minutes. Smells good.
It looks good.
So these are on a open faced tostada. Then all we did was dress it with a little bit of lettuce and chopped tomato, some cheese, and some avocado. Now, of course, if you're vegan, you don't have to have real cheese. You can use vegan cheese. Cheers. Bon appetit. Oh my god, they're really good. You know what's kind of funny? If I didn't know they were chickpeas, it kind of tastes a little like meat.
Yeah, it takes a place. Delicious too.
You're really good. It's turning into a mukbang video. You know what that is?
No.
People actually sit there and like to watch people eat. It's a weird thing. Those are really good. You hungry, Dad? He just pointed at the table. We'll make you one out. Well, anyway, guys, that is my whole video. We are going to enjoy a nice lunch with my family of meatless tacos. Did you have fun, Mom?
Yes.
I hope that you guys like this, and if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! We're ready. Did I say cheap bitches around you, or did I not say that? You're on camera. Why? You don't like me saying that? But that's my thing. Hey, cheap bitches on! Sorry, you're so short. I think I need to get you a stool.
You're not gonna take this part, right?
Maybe. I use everything.